Welcome to the Edgecombe Community College Student Planning Instructional Video 2, Adjusting Student Schedules. In this video, you will learn how to use student planning to adjust a student schedule during the drop-add period. You will also learn the procedure for withdrawing from a class after the drop-add period. Caution: dropping a class after the semester begins means you will still owe a minimum of 25% for the course. You may do this yourself by following the directions here or contact the Student Success Center for help with this process. On the self-service page, you will need to log in. Your username and password should be the same username and password that you use for email and Moodle at Edgecombe Community College. Once you have logged in, you will be at the self-service homepage. You will see several tabs here. Some of these tabs will be discussed in later videos. Today, we will be discussing the Student Planning tab. Please select that tab. In order to plan courses, you have three choices. You can click on the course number on the My Progress page, or you can type the course number in the search box that is in the top right of the page, or you can click on Course Catalog. If you click Course Catalog, you will need to find the prefix of the class you want to add. In this case, we will try to add English 111. You will not have to do this step if you choose one of the other two choices. Once you have chosen the correct class, in this case English 111, you want to view available sections for that course. When you click on this, a drop-down menu of available sections will appear. Make sure you are choosing for the correct semester. Find the section that you want to add and click Add Section to Schedule. After clicking this, there will be a pop-up box which will show you the times and dates that this class meets, who the instructor is, and which campus it meets on. If this is the correct section, click Add Section to Schedule. Once you have planned all of your classes, you will now need to go to Plan and Schedule. You do this by scrolling over Student Planning at the top, scrolling down to Plan and Schedule, and clicking. The courses you have planned have not been registered for. Classes that have the yellow band are planned but not registered. To register, click Register Now. If you want to change to a different section of a scheduled class, you would need to click the View Other Sections box underneath the class that is scheduled. This will bring up a list of available sections underneath the current scheduled section. Note that full sections will be listed in pink. You will not be able to register for full sections even though you can plan for them. Seated classes will appear on your schedule in pale yellow until you highlight them. Also notice that there may be more than one page of other available sections. You may want to toggle over so you can see which ones are also available. When you mouse over an available section, it will highlight so you can read the details. If it is a seated section, it will also highlight in your schedule. If this is the section you want to choose, you need to click on it. The details will show up in another box and you will hit Add Section to Schedule again. You have now planned the new section. You are now ready to drop any unwanted sections. You will need to hit drop in the box of the section that you want to drop. This will bring up a pop-up box of all classes. Make sure that the class that you want to drop has been selected. You also want to click on the class that you want to add so it is selected. Once this is done, make sure everything is where you want it to be and then click Update. Once the processing is complete, you will see that the new section is now scheduled and the old section is now planned. You will now want to remove the planned section by clicking the X in the gray box. The drop add process is now complete. You can go and print your new schedule. Caution: dropping a class after the semester begins means you will still owe a minimum of 25% for the course. You may do the drop add process yourself by following the directions here or contact the Student Success Center for help with this process. In order to withdraw from a class after the drop add period and before the announced last day to withdraw, you will need to go to the school's website and click on the student portal. There you want to click on the Forms button. This will bring you to a page of a list of forms. You want the Student Course Withdrawal Request form. This will bring you to an online form that must be completely filled out. Make sure you fill in all boxes that are necessary. Once you have done that, click Submit. Once the withdrawal process is completed, you will receive confirmation to your MyEdge email. Please contact the Student Success Center if you have any questions.